In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn yourself into Barbie using CapCut template. All you need is a clear photo of yourself and a few minutes on CapCut. First, head to capcut.com in your browser. Once the site loads, click on Templates. This opens CapCut's library of pre-made edits that handle timing, transitions, and effects for you, so you only have to drop in your own media. In the search bar, type Barbie. This filters the library to pink, doll-inspired, glam-styled options that match the Barbie aesthetic. Make sure you're viewing video templates to get the animated vertical results. You can skim previews to see the motion, the aspect ratio, and how many clips or photos each template expects. Click the template you like to open its details. Watch the full preview and notice the vibe. Some looks are playful and sparkly, others sleek and elegant. Also check the required media count. If it asks for a single photo, you can spotlight your best portrait. If it needs several, make sure you have those ready. A 9:16 vertical template is perfect for stories, reels, and TikTok. When you're ready, click Use this template, then upload your photo and let CapCut place it into the timeline. For the most convincing result, use a high-resolution portrait with good lighting, a centered face, and a little space around your head so you can crop comfortably. Use the built-in controls to resize, recenter, or rotate until your face sits cleanly within the frame. If your photo looks dull, lightly adjust brightness and contrast inside the editor to keep the pinks vibrant, but avoid heavy filters that can blur facial features. If the template applies a cutout, check the edges and refine so hair and shoulders look natural. Preview to make sure the transitions don't crop your face. If they do, nudge the position until it feels balanced. Finally, export your video. Choose a resolution that fits where you'll post. 1080p is a great default for vertical platforms. Give the project a clear file name and pick a thumbnail frame that shows your face and the Barbie styling so it stands out when you upload. Let CapCut render, then download the finished clip to your device. And that's it. Your Barbie transformation is ready to share. Enjoy experimenting with different templates to match your style.